Welcome back, guys. Uh, Gonna do a video on this today. This is one of my favorite things to do. Uh, uh, Occasionally, I buy big lots of stuff on auction sites, and I picked this one up the other day. This is what I like to call one of the surprise lots. Uh, the pictures that I had on the auction look like it would be a pretty good buy as far as reselling stuff, but the hopes are. And looking at that, there was stuff that wasn't completely shown. There's kind of surprises and a big Rubbermaid tote. And one of those were pieces for a Delta Megazord, which I've been looking for a while. So I've got my fingers crossed on this one that hopefully it's in here. At least the majority of it. I have a couple pieces I picked up a while back, but I'm hoping the rest of it is in this box. So like I said, fingers crossed, we're going to unbox this one. This is 22 pounds worth of Power Rangers toys. One of the larger boxes that I bought in a long time. So we're going to see how that goes and let you see what we got in store. All I can say is holy crap. Sometimes taking a chance on buying stuff pays off. As I said, there were a lot of things that I couldn't see in that tub that I bought. And, just kind of taking a chance, hoping that it would be there. And I'm just going to flip this around. But in all seriousness, this turned out to be a awesome lot. I've got Zeo Megazord. I've got the majority of a Super Zeo. All of what I was looking for a Delta Megazord. I've got a Lost Galaxy, a Centaurus Megazord, Turbo Megazord, Astro Megazord. I did notice there's a few pieces that are damaged. This one here had some pieces come out of it, which I get a couple of those broken. Got a red Battle Zord complete. I haven't got to test it yet, but I mean, Turbo Rescue Megazord. One of the ones that I get a request for, people looking for all the time, is Wind Chaser. I think I had the other piece to it here, possibly. Yeah, both pieces of Wind Chaser here. I mean, just absolutely awesome haul on this one. Got some yellowing on some of the pieces, the Mega Winger, but all in all, I'm going to try and get all these put together and get everything going and kind of show off what we've got on this one. I said I'll have a lot of this stuff I've already got in my collection, so I'm not going to end up keeping it. So more than likely, it'll probably be up for sale in the next little bit. If you're hunting for something, just let me know and we'll try and make some deals. But man, as a collector, this was a great box to open today. Appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, keep an eye out for some new videos. I'm sure I'll have some stuff to fix. I know I've got, like I said, that Astro Megazord. It's got a piece missing. It's broke. On the In Space Megazord, piece here that's either come loose or broken. We'll have to check him out. A few little things. The one I'm really looking forward to with this one, I actually have a black and gold Astro Megazord. I'm probably going to take some clips from this one and fix the one that I have. My son's looking for the actual head, which this one, believe it or not, has. And like I said, we'll have some cool new videos up in the next little bit. But remember, if you like what you see, like these videos, comment, subscribe, and we'll try and keep some stuff coming.